I told old girl, get out my fucking house. I told old girl, get yeah. All right. Yeah, y'all. I told old get out my fucking house. All right, boom. Today is Monday. Monday. Gold keeps going up. Gold keep going crazy. But I wouldn't trade gold. Why? Bro, it's like gold doesn't have no retracement value, bro. Like, bro, I wanted to enter gold. First of all, I'm gonna tell y'all, gold just do me dirty. Because every time I buy gold, it doesn't work. But look at this. Look, like I buy gold here, it doesn't work. All right, it did. Granted, it worked here. The lowest here, one here. Lowest here. I wanted to buy gold to. What is it today? Right here. So something like right here. Oh no, this ain't even gold. Ooh. Okay. So I wanted to buy gold. So I wanted to buy gold here, but I'm gonna tell you I haven't entered this because, as you can see, higher high, lower low, really never really broke lows to be honest. Because this is the low, this is the high, breaks here, this is the high, this is the low. So the perfect time I just missed it. I ain't gonna lie, I just missed it. The perfect time for me and my strategy would have been right here. Uh, even so, because this broke here to here, you could have did at most. I'm gonna tell you spots you could have entered here. Uh, right here you could have entered, and right here you could have entered. Oh my! So I just missed it to be honest. Like I could have entered here, stop loss right here, TP at least break even right here. But or you could have entered here, smacked here, and smacked here again. You could have, hey, I missed this, and you could have even entered here and just made a tight stop loss, like a very tight one. And look at bro, this would have been crazy. You could have caught like at least like I would have said 5. Like I would have caught like a 5. So like let's just see, it went straight to 5 in less than 5, 9:30, and by 10:40 in an hour, you would have had a 5R. So that would have been. These are the two spots I should have entered, but haven't entered it. Why? Because I just missed my spots. But gold is such a beautiful pair right now. Like gold, if you do trade gold, I would say don't even look at the higher time frames. What I'm noticing, but I wouldn't tell you anything what to do. I'm just not really looking at like mainly. I look at like 4 hour, sometimes daily, but really I love the 4 hour and how it moves. And look, it's just not. It's in such a strong trend. You could catch stuff moves on like the 15 minute. You see how 15 minute it broke highs, coming down, doesn't want to come down, and it's almost back at 4,000. So gold is just going crazy. It's going bonkers. So gold is going bonkers, and yeah, we just enjoying the view for gold. So what can I imagine for gold is what I do for gold. I don't really have no clue. The best thing I could have said for gold is just hold long term. Like granted, you could enter, like if you do enter gold, I would just do a little short term buy, get in. Don't try to be like, hey, I'm trying to hold in with the long term. It's really no point of holding in with the long term. Like, even like realistically, the long term was maybe at most right here. A long time. I mean, that at most was right here. And granted, I caught this, and maybe I could have held on. But I'm thinking gold is such in my head. Gold is such a high thing. I could have just took out 80%, and look, I could have gained my profits again. Look how far it went. Look, it was from 3,700. I would have gained 200 points. Cause from here, 600 to 7, I gained 50 points, and I would have gained 200 points with 80%. Granted, I wouldn't have made the same amount of profit, but it would have been almost close. Almost close. It would have been almost close. I gained 150 profit with 20% left. It wouldn't have been the same profit I gained with the TP, but I could have made almost the same profit as the TP with that 20% if I just held. And I probably would have still been holding to this day about to like 4,000. So that's what gold is looking very trendy, very beautiful. I really wouldn't hold right now. Maybe it does go to 5,000, 4,000. I don't know, but I can't tell it where to go. The market is in such a unique spot where it just broke structure and it just keep riding. So I really don't. I'm really not too sure where to enter at. Unless you want to do short term buys. Um, Most people would be like, "I'm sell at the top." I wouldn't really sell. I don't really like selling when it's all the way up. Some people do trade that way, can knock y'all, but I just follow the trend, and that's always been my friend and always made me money. So I follow the trend. Okay, it was selling right here. I tried to sell. That's the only time I ever tried to sell, and it's in such a super trend. Why would I even sell? So I just kept buying and buying. I have a lot of buys in gold, but I had one sell, and I was like, man, let's not do it again. Now, let's go to US 30. US 30. Okay, so US 30, we gonna do a little markup. So as you see, higher high breaks out now. Now, higher high, higher high. It breaks this sell, higher high, lower low, higher mm, higher high, lower low. I'm not marking this as high. Granted you can because it did break. It's all right here. Hey, even so, you can mark it. Like it's not even a bad high. So like even if you want to mark it and say this is a high, fine. So higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, breaks here, comes back down here. You will want price to come here, but nowhere lower than here. Nowhere lower than this. You don't want price to come nowhere lower than this. So now we go to 1 hour. So what we see from this right here is that price went from here to here. So that's what we could grant it from this. So what we want to do is accumulate price from here to here, all the way up here, and then make the stop loss somewhere, just somewhere around here. And look how much price that's a little 8R, and you could just keep holding. So right now we just be patient. Right now we wait till price come under here, but not under here. So somewhere where it breaks higher highs at on a lower time frame, somewhere it could break lower time frame. I would love it if it came down here and then broke a structure up here. Or it can really, since it's already above this blue line, it can keep going up. But it's still kind of a sell because like this is the high, this is the low on a lower time frame. Granted, it is making higher highs on like smaller time frames, but I'm not really too found on that. So right now, I kind of want price to come back down in this area. I really want price to break here and then start making like the highs, like so. Say a price breaks here and then make highs break, and then it breaks above the high. I will want price to come in this area so I can buy because on a higher time frame this is an uptrend. You just want to You just want to get the best of your opportunity in the uptrend. So basically, you want price, because granted, price are always going to come from here to here, but it's still in a sell. It's not really showing us bullish momentum. Until it shows us bullish momentum, I'm not willing to buy. So I would just wait until probably tomorrow. You know, it could come down here and then just wick back up and show bullish momentum. Like, so say if it come down here and it comes above here, I can buy here. Or if I see bullish momentum on smaller time frames, such as 5 minute, 15 minute, I'm willing to buy. So higher high, lower low, but on a higher time frame, we're still in a bullish. That's why I say you have to break down each time frame. You see, this is the high, this is the low. So anything below here, I would say it's a sell. Granted, this probably wouldn't be a strong sell because it's such a bullish uptrend, but it's a granted sell for a short period of time or until the market tell me it wants to. So right now, until it breaks this, I'm just looking for buys, straight buys, nothing but buys, nothing but buys. So hour, I'm looking at the hour. Hour's looking fine. Like I said, anything above here, it can't, like, granted, this can't go. I can't tell the market what it wants to do, but I want to enter the market at the best opportunity I can. That's all I'm trying to tell people. I'm trying to enter the market the best opportunity I can. So if it come above here and then it comes back down, I'm looking to enter. I'm looking to enter. So it comes up because it broke structure and it's telling me, hey, it wants to go up and it doesn't break the sell. The lowest of the low and it comes down, I will buy and then I will enter from here and see where price goes. And that's what I see for 30. I will want price to come down here, but gotta be patient. Nas. Okay, Nas. Nas played me like a fool today. Nas played me. Nas played me so bad today, bro. Nas played me so bad. Nas played me so bad. So let's look at Nas. First, we're gonna go to the, let me show you the daily. Daily is in our rising uptrend. So as you can see, 4 hour, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. Breaks this. This is thing. So anything above here will come here. So we don't want price to come below here. But granted, look at all of this. Like, say even if it comes down to here, this is, look at this. Like, you come here, buy right here, comes down, comes back up in here. Like, we could buy a long term. This is a long term buy. Nice 2 to 3. You could smaller buys. Granted, it could come here, come back. Like, this is tough. Like, even if it comes like say it comes right here. This is the low. Say it comes right here. You can buy right here. Comes down, comes back up. Sell to here. Comes back up above here. Nice 2 R's. Like, these are just nice entries you can just enter. These nice entries. You talking about the righteous guys? I don't give a fuck, man. So, like I said, I entered from here today, lost instantly, and then I was supposed to re-enter again because what? Made lower lows, broke this high, came down. I would like it to come down a little more and then break back up, and I was gonna buy. But look, it did this, never came back down to my TP because that was my original. It came up, it was gonna come back down. I had it here, never came back up. It exactly TP and went the hell down. So right now we could delete this and we can keep this here. But these are the 2 things I'm looking for. Like I said, we're not perfect, but like I said, we probably made the stop loss. I don't even wouldn't make this, like, even if I go back and I lose this and I still would take this trade probably 9 times out of 10 because it's probably just wait people out and then we'll say, hey, let's go back here. GJ and GJ, we in a nasty spot right now. I really want GJ to come back down, go up, because granted, this is what's gonna happen. It's going to come up to here at least. It's GJ is going to come there. GJ is for sure going to go there. But I see this empty gap and it looks nasty. And I don't think the market like gaps, especially in Forex community. So I would like price to come down. Even if price comes down here, it's still a buy. Like, look, it just smashed through. Granted, on a daily, boom, 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 boom. It said it faked out. Boom, that's a little fake out. Because so right now, what we doing? I don't really know where to enter. Even hour, really want to enter hour. At most, you can come here. Boom. You can say it's price here, but like I said, on higher time frame. Stop. On a higher time frame. Yeah, so you would want price to at least come back down here because look. Stop. At most, you can say here. Still a lot of points, or here. Either one. Either one. Safest one is probably here. If it come above here, at least it's gonna touch here. Came back. And if it breaks above here, it's gonna go here. So that's nice. Or no. Look. Even if it comes all the way down from here, you gotta remember, this is the low. This is the low, bro. This is the low. Like, look, it's so damn high though. Broke here. So really, you don't really want price coming down somewhere around here. This is kind of low. Granted, it might still can go up from here, but you don't really want it to go down here. So if it come down here, I don't even know what to do, bro. So GJ is such a, I don't know, bro. GJ is in a nasty spot right now. We really want GJ to come back so it can come back up. But hopefully GJ go back up and it doesn't make it might just keep going up and then might come back down. But like we have to execute with this. But it's just such a good uptrend and we just don't know when to enter. So yeah. And yeah, that's what I got for today. It was only a 20 minute. I am gonna start posting shorts on this channel, TikTok. I'm posting shorts. I'm taking it a little serious now. So yeah. So thanks for the follow, thanks for the like, and I don't even care, man. Hope y'all enjoy my journey because I'm the best in the world. Peace.